Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to my physics class. Today's topic is capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so we are going to calculate the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. So suppose that the two plates A and B, this is the plate A, positively plate, and the other plate is B, negatively charged plate. This is the grounded. Therefore, the electric field is set up between these two plates is suppose capital E, and the surface charge density of this plate is sigma. If we consider the two plates are separated by the distance d, then we have to calculate the capacitance of this capacitor. If the whole system is placed in a space in any air, okay, air medium, so the surface charge density, if the surface charge density is sigma, then the electric field or uniform electric field is set up between these plates is sigma upon epsilon naught, where sigma is the surface charge density, surface charge density. If the charge on the plate of capacitor positive and negative Q, then the surface charge density is Q upon area. If area is capital A, then A upon sigma is equal to Q upon A. Okay, this is the electric field intensity. Therefore, the potential difference between the plates, potential difference between the plate of capacitor V is equal to, we know that the potential gradient is called the electric field, so it is E dot D. On applying the value of capital E, so sigma upon epsilon naught A into D, where sigma is the permittivity of free space, okay, and we apply the value of sigma Q upon epsilon naught A into D. Okay, if Q is taking in LHS side, then we write V upon Q is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught A into D. Since we have the capacitance, now the capacitance C is equal to Q upon V. Therefore, B upon Q is equal to 1 upon C. So, C is equal to, it is epsilon naught A upon D. This is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor in the air. From this relation, it is clear that the capacitance does depends on the area of conductor, area of the sheet, and the distance between the plates. On increasing the distance between these plates, the capacitance will decrease. So this is the inversely proportional to each one. Okay, and on increasing the area of the plate of capacitor, the capacitance will be increases. Okay, if these plates are placed, these plates are placed in any medium whose dielectric constant is K, therefore the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, it is noted by C dash, is equal to the K times of parallel plate capacitor in the air. Okay, so C dash is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D. From this relation, it is clear that the parallel capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in any medium is equal to the K times of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in the air. Okay, it means it does depends on the nature of the material medium. Okay, thank you, student.